All right, so today's mission is a return to Kyle's Ford Falls. Came back on a rainy day, hoping we can get a little more flow than we got when I was last here back in September. Let's see what we get. If I remember correctly, it's not quite that far to the falls. Trail does get off to a start with a pretty good uphill. So this little side trail here leads over to the Conservation Center and Retreat that's just across the road from the Clinch River. I'm not really sure what to expect today. When I was here back in September, the flow over the falls, I think it was a bare minimum. It was just like a trickle. Now the whole way here, all the creeks and little mountain runoffs on the side of the road were pretty big and over flooded. So hopefully that's a good sign. And I'm gonna turn the camera on here. We'll see if you can pick it up. Turn. There we go. I'm sure you can hear the frogs, but I don't know if you can also hear that water flowing. The creek up here was just a trickle the last time too, and you definitely did not get that sound of water flowing. So I'm thinking that's another good sign. I am loving this. Last time I was here, this was maybe like a trickle of water coming out of a hose. So this, I hate to sound like a broken record, but this is a very good sign. The first sign I think is too far. The second sign I think is too short. All right, so this little section was dry as a bone back in the summer. I think the falls are gonna be pretty freaking awesome. This trail is cut on the side of the mountain at, well, I'd say it's probably a 30-degree angle, so it's on a slope, which means the odds of me taking a slip and fall are probably somewhere up around, 80%. Whoa! Oh, that was almost it. Okay, so remember my little 80% prediction? Yeah, I should have made that 100%. I'm muddy and soaked. All right, so the falls are coming into view. Yeah, this is so different than it was in the summer. Oh, this is awesome. Now let's just hope I don't biff it here this last 30 feet. And here we have it, Kyle's Ford Falls. Very nice. All right, so now I'm gonna see how difficult it is to get to the top. Okay, so that was a super sketchy climb. Probably borderline stupid, but I'm up here. So let's check it out. And this is our view from the top. All right, so in the summer, I would not hesitate to go down there and sit right on the lip for a photo. As slick as it is today, nope, nope, nope. All right, so my equipment for today, my Nikon D800E on a little Manfrotto tripod, and the Nikon 20mm, where are you? 1.8. I forgot my ND filter today, so we'll see how everything turns out. Camera number 2 My Olympus EM1mkIII with the Panny 21.7 on it in live ND mode. Again, it'll be interesting to see what we get. Okay, so I've done late summer. I guess we can count this as spring, even though that's not a whole lot really blooming. Now, got to check it out in the fall with the fall colors. And I bet this place would be nice in the snow. Ooh, and if there was enough water and the falls froze. Oh yeah. So two things that would not surprise me to see here: bears or Bigfoot. And you can already see the remains from fall number 1 back at the beginning. Crap! It's not often I feel the urge to kiss the ground after a particularly sketchy section of hike, but this time, thank you, God. And it's a gorgeous view hiking back down out of the holler. Gotta love East Tennessee. Final verdict, this sign is not accurate at all. My car is about 30 yards away from here. By the time I get back, I'll have like 1.54 miles round trip. All right, so this is not correct. So when you're driving down Horton Hollow Road, you'll look for this sign right here, and then turn up this little gravel road just past that red barn, and that's the parking area.